Alright, let's see how this goes. That was lame. Gloves, keys, turn on the radio for the pity. Let's go live a life of fun, joy, and whatever that guy said. Turn it to reserve. Make sure we have enough fuel. Pull those off the exhaust. We'll see what happens. Enough. Just barely. Well, let's go gas up. The new exhaust makes a huge difference. That is astounding. I really want a Tenere, but yeah, this bike is it's good. I love it. It's a beater, like me. Alright, let's go get gas. Oh well, it shall. Change this back over. It's not on reserve anymore. It's an empty tank. Alright. Alrighty. That feels good. My throttle used to stutter when I get up to like higher RPM in third gear, and kind of dangerous honestly, because I would be on the highway and the engine would just cut out. I think the gas wasn't getting into the float chamber anymore, so it's just starved for fuel basically. I took the needle out of the carb and actually ground down the tip. Since then I've found a bunch of posts saying no, don't do the plastic tip thing. Got a bunch of parts for the carb just sitting there, like some cheap Amazon and eBay parts. I drilled a hole in the slide as well. It seems to have made a big difference. It's definitely destroyed my gas mileage. I have a lot more power pickup on it, and it doesn't choke out when I go into fourth and fifth gear, which is great. I don't like being on the highway if I'm not moving highway speed. That includes traffic. I feel like I can handle most things in life pretty well. It's just the traffic. I haven't been able to hear out of one ear for like 2 months at this point. But my balance is back, so I got that going for me. Oh shit, I didn't bring any quarters. Alright. That don't work on the... Oh, hey. Whew. That works. Get the phone off before... Phone off, keys out. What do I want? Squeeze for pressure. Great. Let's do it. Doesn't need much. And hey, she's alive. So clean. I'll figure out what the hell happened here. She good to go? Well, she ain't purty. Oh shit, I love my gloves. She's pretty. What am I talking about? You're beautiful, ain't you, girl? Giddy up. Way to stay in business. Just have it be all dirty right where you ride out. Am I doing something weird? Probably. Pretty much always doing something weird at this point. Made it. I missed the entire mirror. Alright. Oh, that feels good. Nice breeze. Nobody hit me, please. I prefer not to be on the road. It's a nice dress, dude. But I'd rather be in the woods. Hey, there's a little track. Well, that is good to know. Maybe I'll come try that out sometime soon. No, she's good. She's purring today. How the fuck did I forget one mirror? Typical. Because I didn't bring a backpack and I have no luggage on here. I gotta mount the luggage on here. Oh, maybe I'll mount that and then just take the bike. We'll see. Still gotta do some work today. Very useful road. A lot of people use it. It's just ugly, full of strip malls and two flailing blow-up dolls. Just ugly. Oh, it's all the stuff that we need every day, but what do we really need? Food. We need water. We need shelter. Which there's food. Subjective. I'm assuming all those places have water. You can't use any of them as shelter. They do have coffee, though. Coffee might be more important than water sometimes. Oh, good little ride. I don't think I necessarily have high blood pressure, but I don't have good blood pressure. I don't know. Hey, Ruth.